everyone, I'm Emily with Lightronics, and I'm here to talk to you about our line of LED linear high bays. This LED high bay delivers top-of-the-line efficiency, durability, and versatility, resulting in significant energy savings, low maintenance, and adaptability across a wide range of high ceiling applications. Popular applications include gymnasiums, warehouses, distribution centers, big box retail, and industrial facilities. The LED linear high bay is a great fit for new construction, renovation projects, or standalone lighting upgrades. Some of the key features of the LED linear high bay include in-stock options with or without an integrated PIR sensor, which enables occupancy sensing and daylight harvesting to further reduce your energy use. The remote control accessory facilitates sensor adjustments from the ground for ease of adjustments after installation. The LED linear high bay offers voltages of 120 to 277 or 277 to 480. Standard color temps are 4K and 5K. Lumen levels range from 14,000 to 39,000 at 160 lumens per watt. It has a 100,000 hour rated life backed by a 10-year warranty. The linear high bay is a premium, quality, durable product that is DLC premium listed and UL damp location rated. The frosted polycarbonate lens distributes even light at a 110 degree beam angle. An additional wire guard is available for high impact applications. There are 0 to 10 volt dimming wires on the non-censored standard models, making it compatible with our emergency battery backup. The linear high bay has been engineered for easy installation. For renovation projects, simply utilize existing fluorescent lighting layouts and install in a matter of minutes. The included 5-foot suspension cables can be used to suspend the fixture from overhead beams or are used to mount the fixture to ceiling surfaces. An optional kit, which enables direct surface mounting or pendant mounting, is also available, which can be found on the product specification sheet. For more information, please reach out to your local Lightronics sales representative or visit us on lightronics.com. Hopefully you were able to learn a little bit about the Lightronics LED linear high bay today. Thank you for watching and have a great day.